The rumbling sound in your stomach is more than just hunger, it's your intestines at work, squeezing air and fluids during the digestion process. When your stomach is empty, this sound becomes even more pronounced, creating an echo that feels like a growl. This phenomenon often leads to the amusing sensation that your belly is demanding attention for more food. Understanding this natural process can help you appreciate the complex work your body does every day. Next time you hear that familiar rumbling, remember it's just your body reminding you to refuel. So don't be alarmed by those growls, it's simply a sign of your digestive system doing its job.